All right, good Wednesday evening, everybody. We do see some rain in the southeast, but it is focused around a boundary which is going to stay off to the northwest of us, at least over the next couple of days. Now, we do have a frontal boundary that's going to be moving into Mississippi over the weekend, giving us a better chance of rain Saturday night through Sunday. But until then, just a stray shower at best. We did have a couple of those around today, but they were very brief. We actually did get one here at the TV station late this evening, and it barely made the ground wet. So, warm and humid on the south side of this frontal boundary. Again, most of the rain is going to stay close to the front, off to the northwest of us on your Thursday and Friday. Early Saturday, it'll be later in the day Saturday when we see another front make a run at us. So here's a look at Live IMAX 12, and if you zoom way in here, you will see those showers dried up, but there are a couple of showers right here near Sand Hill in northern Rankin County. A couple of sprinkles out of this, that's going to be it. So not a whole lot of rain in the forecast until we get to the weekend. In the meantime, it's going to be warm and muggy. It's 72 degrees right now. We're going to be in the mid-60s first thing in the morning, then warming up about 20 degrees during the day tomorrow. By the way, the record high for tomorrow's date is 85. We're going to be at 83, so we're flirting with a record high. It may feel like 85 because we'll have to add in a couple of degrees for the heat index. So warm, humid weather across the southeast. More cloud cover and rain close to these boundaries up to the north of us. That's going to be the case during the day Friday, but then Saturday, here comes a front, and this one's going to get a little bit farther south. Now, will it come all the way through? I don't think it's going to move all the way through Mississippi, but it is going to stall, and as long as there is a boundary in place interacting with this warm, muggy air, we are going to see decent chances of afternoon showers. And really, just because of the cloud cover and the rain, temperatures are going to take a dip over the weekend. 77, though, is still about 10 degrees warmer than average for early March, and then early next week, the front retreats back to the north, and temperatures warm right back into the low to mid-80s Monday and Tuesday. Over the weekend, though, there's going to be some heavy rain, especially to the north and west of us. We're going to give it about an inch on average, with some isolated spots getting closer to 2 inches, especially around the Delta. We need all the rain we can get, especially over the west central and southwestern part of the states. More burn bans continue to be issued. The one that was issued today is for Jefferson County. Most of those bans in effect until early April. So tonight, spotty showers, mostly cloudy otherwise. We'll be at 63 in the morning, warming up to 83 in the afternoon. The heat index about 85. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds and about a 10% chance of a stray shower. We do up that to about 30% Friday, but most of the rain comes in late Saturday through Sunday. Coverage about 70%. Temperatures dip a little bit because of the rain, and then we warm right back up into the low to mid-80s Monday and Tuesday, with once again low chances of rain. Then next Wednesday, a front will come all the way through with a round of storms. Those I think are likely going to be strong, possibly severe. We'll keep you posted on that. And there's going to be a bigger cool down in the temperature behind that Wednesday front. Notice next Thursday, more March-like with highs in the low 60s and mostly sunny skies. Meteorologist Megan Hanna is going to be here tomorrow morning with your next update. Have a good night.